What's up, Dickers? Today we are gonna be going to Entradero Park. It's like this park thing with a bunch of all these dirt trails. And
For bikes.
For bikes and stuff, and we're gonna skate there. Because I have an idea that Hobbit doesn't know yet. Okay, so my bad. I didn't mean to call him Hobbit. His real name is Potato Skin. So, alright, yeah, that's cool. Now we're gonna head to Entradero. Alright, guys. It's me, Carrot, here with Potato Skin. We're walking up to our destination. We're going to be bombing a sewage spillway. So,
Oh my fucking god, dude.
let's do this. Yeah, this is the sewage spillway in question.
Get in here. Alright.
I don't think my wheels are gonna roll over all this
Go,
shit.
Carrot.
I did it.
You did it, guys.
Oh my god, my wheels are covered in shit water.
Oh, that's fucked, man.
Should we go to the pipes and see if we
Yeah.
can bomb down those?
Okay, guys, we're going to the pipes. Yo, so Carrot's gonna be skating down this shit. Alright, come on, go.
But yo, you Potato Skin, bro, you should shake that up and then just chuck it on the ground as hard as you can. That did nothing. Maybe you should just do it all. I said no brakes.